So some basic concepts in Pygame that we want to talk about so we really understand them. First thing is this idea of a sprite. So in this very simple game that you will see a lot of throughout this unit, we have little rockets that come from the right, off screen on the right-hand side as if they're being shot from some unseen origin. And you've got your little airplane here that you try and fly around so you don't get hit by the missiles. Simple game, right? Every one of these is a sprite. Okay, these are all sprites. They all move, they all interact with each other. Each sprite is made up of two parts. The surface of the sprite is the part of the sprite that you can see. It is the visible part of the sprite, the pixels that make up what you can see. The rectangle of a sprite can be a similar size to the surface, or it can be bigger or smaller than the surface. But the rectangle of the sprite is, as the name suggests, a rectangular shape. You can think of it as a box that encloses the sprite. In other game platforms, in engines, this is often referred to as a hitbox. Okay? And the hitbox, if you want your game, most of the time you want your hitbox to be about as small as it can be to still encompass the sprite. And the reason for that is because you don't want a missile to fly close by the airplane and register as having hit the airplane. So if your hitbox is too big, then the missile is going to hit your plane. And your players are going to get pissed because that obviously wasn't hitting my plane, right? And it's a big deal. Now that we have esports, right, you could be costing somebody a fortune if your hitbox is too big. We don't want that. So if you're making a game and they play it for esports someday, just make sure you give credit where credit is due. So the surface and the rectangle make up the sprite. The rectangle is also often responsible for positioning the sprite. They're tied together, they're connected, so that if I move the rectangle, the surface often moves with it. But the surface is the visible part. So when we animate a sprite, we are changing the surface, not changing the rectangle. When we move a sprite's location on the screen, we are moving the rectangle. And when we measure whether something is hitting something else, we're using the rectangle as the hitbox.